The concept of packaging. Packaging is a fundamental element of product marketing and distribution, evolving through history while adapting to modern needs. Here's a breakdown of the key concepts related to packaging. A. Packaging entities. Remember 5P in packaging entity. 1. Protect. Safeguards products from damage during handling and transportation. 2. Preserve. Maintains product quality and extends shelf life. 3. Prevent. Defend from tampering and contamination. 4. Price. Influences the cost of production and retail pricing. 5. Profit. Aids in maximizing revenue and minimizing losses. B. Packaging status. 1. Management function. Integral to strategic planning and operations. 2. Interconnected. Relates to marketing, production, and logistics. 3. Design stage. Initiated during product design, influencing overall development. See package development factors. 1. Product properties. Considerations include size, weight, and fragility. 2. Product sensitivity. Responsiveness to environmental conditions like temperature and humidity. 3. Material availability. Accessibility of packaging materials. 4. Material properties. Characteristics such as durability and barrier protection. 5. Compatibility. Ensures the package and product work well together. Storage and handling. Requirements for maintaining product integrity. 7. Transportation means. Modes of transport impact packaging decisions. 8. Marketing practices. Branding and consumer engagement strategies. Company attitudes, corporate philosophy, and consumer focus. D. Product properties. 1. Physico-mechanical. Strength and durability. 2. Abiotic. Non-living environmental factors. 3. Biotic. Living organisms that may affect the product. E. Product sensitivity. 1. Environmental conditions influencing degradation. 2. Potential hazards that may arise. F. Packaging material considerations. G. Product package compatibility. 1. Acceptability of the product with package and vice versa. No harmful effect either way. H. Packaging material properties. 1. Physical property, size, shape, and structure. 2. Mechanical property, strength and flexibility. 3. Machinability, ease of processing. 4. Barrier properties, protection against moisture, light, and gases. 5. Antimicrobial properties, prevents microbial growth. I. Storage and handling. 1. Type of storage. Conditions under which products are kept. 2. Environment, temperature and humidity control. 3. Maintenance, upkeep of storage facilities. 4. Surrounding. 5. Packaging handling techniques. Manual to automated systems like low speed, medium speed, or high speed. J. Transportation considerations. Different modes are road, rail. C. Air and combinations. Containerization. Efficient packaging for transport. K. Hazards in storage. Handling and transportation. 1. Mechanical hazards. Impact from shocks. Vibrations. Stacking. 2. Climate hazards. Effects of moisture, dust, heat, microbials, gases, and other environmental factors. L. Marketing attitudes. 1. Structure and strategies of marketing, including competition and retail setups. M. Company attitudes. 1. Policies, corporate governance. 2. Customer orientation, focus on consumer needs. N. Packaging types. 1. Unit, single-use or multi-dose packaging. 2. Intermediate, facilitates distribution. 3. Bulk, for inventory and bulk transport. O. Packaging materials. 1. Various materials including paper, metals, plastics, glass, etc., chosen for their specific properties and applications. P. Ancillary packaging materials, such as adhesives, cushioning materials, and seals. Q. Packaging laws. 1. Health and hygiene, regulations to ensure safety. 2. Quality control, standards for product integrity. 3. Labeling regulations, guidelines for product information. R. Labeling. 1. Information regarding the product. 2. Instructions for use. 3. Identification of contents. S. Marketing communication. Visual representations aiding in handling, storage, and safety. T. Packaging disposal. Emphasis on sustainability, reuse, and recyclability. U. Package standardization. 1. Industry and national standards for consistency. 2. Cost reduction and quality assurance. 3. Enhanced choice for consumers. V. Packaging as a salesman. 1. Aesthetic appeal and impulse buying. 2. Importance of branding and product identity. W. Packaging costs. 1. Tangible versus intangible costs. 2. Components of overall packaging expenditure. X. The role of packaging. Packaging acts as an ambassador for the product, conveying quality and promoting sales. By understanding these key aspects, businesses can create effective packaging strategies that enhance product appeal, ensure safety, and meet consumer needs.